Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional carpenter, you know that a reliable miter saw is an essential tool for precision cutting. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 miter saws on the market. So, whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-end model with advanced features, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information, and let's get started. Makita HPT C10FCGS Miter Saw. The Makita HPT C10FCGS Miter Saw is a versatile and reliable tool designed for precision cutting on the job site. This tool features a high-performance 15-ampere motor that can reach up to 5,000 revolutions per minute without any load, making it capable of tackling even the most challenging cutting tasks. Weighing only 24.2 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver and transport, making it perfect for trim carpenters, framers, and woodworkers. The miter angle range of 0 to 52 degrees and bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees to the left, with adjustable bevel stops, allow for increased flexibility and precision cuts. The large table provides better material support and comes with a vise clamping system to secure your workpiece safely in place. The saw also features thumb-actuated positive stops for quick miter adjustments and a horizontal handle for a secure hold. The electric brake halts the rotation of the blade within seconds, preventing unintended cuts. Covered by Makita HPT's 5-year warranty, it is a reliable and durable tool for any job site. DEWALT DWS-715 Miter Saw. The DEWALT DWS-715 is a 12-inch single-bevel compound miter saw that is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It is powered by a 15-ampere motor that drives 4,000 revolutions per minute, making it powerful and durable. The saw's stainless steel miter detent plate features 14 positive stops for repeatable accuracy and easy adjustments. The cam miter lock also ensures that the saw stays in place during use. The tall sliding fences support 5.5 inches of base molding vertically and 5.5 inches of crown molding vertically nested, making it versatile for various cutting needs. It has a lightweight design and a built-in carry handle, making it easy to transport. The saw can bevel to the left up to 48 degrees and to the right up to 3 degrees, with a crosscut capacity of 2 inches by 8 inches at 90 degrees and 2 inches by 6 inches at 45 degrees. With its precise miter system and machine-based fence support, the DEWALT DWS-715 is a reliable and accurate cutting tool for your workshop or job site. Bosch CM10GD Miter Saw. The Bosch CM10GD Compact Miter Saw is a powerful and precise cutting tool that is perfect for tight spaces. With its exclusive axial glide system, it offers wider crosscuts and better alignment, making it highly accurate and efficient. The large, up-front metal bevel controls and square lock precision fences make it easy to adjust and ensure precise cuts. It also includes a dust collection chute and vacuum adapter for easy cleanup. The miter saw provides maximum cutting control at all angles, thanks to its crown chop lock that locks the head in place, allowing for maximum chop cutting capacity. Additionally, the saw has a powerful 15-ampere motor that delivers 4,800 no-load revolutions per minute, making it ideal for professional cutting capacity. The saw's compact design and adjustable miter detents make it a user-friendly tool for cutting tasks. Plus, its ergonomic ambidextrous trigger handle provides maximum comfort, even for all-day use. It comes with a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable and durable cutting tool. Delta 26-2251 Miter Saw. The Delta 26-2251 Miter Saw is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for any woodworking project. It features a shadow guide cutting line that projects a consistent and accurate cutting line on your workpiece, ensuring repeatable accuracy. This saw is equipped with a 15-ampere motor and can achieve a blade speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute, providing plenty of power for tough materials. The one-hand front miter controls with push-button detent override and front bevel release allow for quick and easy adjustments, while the molded handle and full-size trigger are comfortable for both right and left-handed users. This saw also features a dual bevel design with 7 positive bevel stops and easy-to-reach lever override for precise bevel cuts up to 47 degrees left and right. The 50 degrees left and 60 degrees right miter capacity with 10 miter detents and positive stops provide flexibility and versatility for a wide range of cuts. The Delta Cruiser's forward-located dual bevel lever eliminates the need to reach behind the saw to make bevel adjustments. Finally, the Delta 2251 Miter Saw includes a 5-year limited warranty, providing assurance and peace of mind to users regarding their investment. Makita LS0815F Miter Saw. The Makita LS0815F Miter Saw is an excellent cutting solution for carpentry, woodworking, finish, trim, and flooring installation applications. Weighing only 31.1 pounds, it is highly portable and easy to use in tight spaces. The direct-drive, 10.5-ampere motor with soft start and electric brake provides smoother startups and constant power without any need for belt replacements. The LS0815F Miter Saw can cut from 0 to 50 degrees left and 0 to 60 degrees right, with stops at various angles. The bevel lock adjusts up to 48 degrees left and 5 degrees right, with stops at 0 degrees and 45 degrees left. It has a cross-cutting capacity of 12 inches at 90 degrees and 8.5 inches at 45 degrees, and uses a linear ball bearing system for accurate cuts. Additionally, it features an ergonomic rubberized horizontal D-handle design that offers better fit and added comfort, and a large trigger switch for easier operation. The see-through blade guard system provides better visibility of the blade and line of cut. A built-in LED light illuminates the line of cut for increased accuracy. Thank you for watching our video on the best miter saws. We hope you found it helpful in making an informed decision. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.